This is Nas from Rogue Press. Welcome back, and this is going to be my video explaining to you or basically sharing with you my experience working with an outsourced developer. So, in my company, me as an interactive web developer, I was tasked to do an app which we have. Our client was based in Australia, so that means I communicated with them via Skype, and the way I communicated with the outsourcer is also via Skype. So it is a is it I'm like a middleman to make sure that the tasks and or whatever assignments that the developer has to do, she needs to do it. So um, long story short, we hire someone from India. So not to say Indian developers are bad or unproductive or whatsoever. Some are good, some are really good, but unfortunately, um, you know, the company that my firm hire seem to not go our way. So I, I feel exhausted, tired talking to them because simply I think the communication with them, I mean, there's a barrier between us. It's like the terms that we use, the English that we use is different. In Singapore, English is not a native language. So but it is a common language that everyone uses in the world. So when we explain some stuff, I don't know, they just don't understand it the way we want. So in most cases, it tends to cock up. So yeah, because I need to communicate two ways. One is to my client, and the one is to the developer. So it's not an easy task being a project manager, so called. Yeah, because you are managing a project from a middleman perspective. So from mockup phase to development phase to UAT phase, I experienced a lot in between. Like, read this sentence. In the end, I have to tell her again and again until she gets it. So it I just feel that they have lack of understanding or lack of focus to understand the words that I type in Skype. So in most cases, I said, please call me. I explain to you in verbally. It's much more easier to understand. And then we screen share and we do team viewer. That's the most effective way to communicate with them. If you just communicate via Skype, you type thousand million sentences also they won't understand. So that's the thing that I feel I have difficulty on. So yeah, it's of course time consuming because the project is supposed to be done in 2.5 months, but it's stretched into 4 to now 5 months. So wow. And do take note, in India has plenty of public holidays, and they really do not work during public holidays. Maybe some do, but in my case, public holiday means no work. So that means you have no contact at all with them until the next working day. So yeah, it's really frustrating working with them, but I don't want to run too much because I know they are still doing their job. They are yeah, I mean, they need this job to fulfill their life over there, so whatsoever. But then again, uh, just it is just my 2 cents worth of opinion and my thoughts working with them. So for those companies who thinks that outsourcing developers to in India, Vietnam, or Philippines are the only and the best choice, think again. I'm not saying that it's not good. They can quicken your process in doing certain tasks, but if you were to give them a whole project, make sure you draft a a documentation, a, a, a manual, a crystal clear manual for them to understand what's supposed to be done. Not to say they are robots, but maybe they act like robots because they need to be told on doing things step by step, screenshot by screenshot. They don't see things in a bigger picture. So that's the difficulty that I have always encounter throughout my journey working with them. So if you guys have any comments about working with them, share with me. Put up in the comments below, or you can always visit my blog and read up the few texts, a few paragraphs of me writing, and then we can always interact here. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will continue to write more content or to video more content, in hopes that maybe you can see me in person, because I'm quite shy, to be honest. And yeah, you guys have fun, enjoy, and have a good day. Bye bye.